I met a girl, she hooked me up from the deep foggy morning 2 weeks ago. I still don't have a license to ask a personal question to you. 9:45, every light's gonna start to tick a day, and it's when I pass you by. This might keep my attention on the top until the noon, and I can survive today. Ooh, rainy day, I don't know how to let you know I'm in your friend. Ooh, fairy tale, let me pray for a happy ending, love story to God. It feels like I'm getting close to you day by day, and I'm not a stranger anymore. I thought I was a mild-minded, be a friend with anybody like we used to know.